Hi, welcome back. This is the painting we did Wednesday night. So it's been just under 48 hours and the surface is dry. It's a teeny tiny bit heavy on the back, but not too bad. And look, it just dried perfect. Look at that. Look how fun this is. All sorts of different effects going on in here, but yet it blends really well. Kind of tells its own little story. I'm super happy with how this dried. Look at all those little baby. This is from the middle swipe, what we did very end. And these were the little detail lines I did. They kept their shape, but they just got a little softer, which is very awesome. These right here, I was hoping it'd have more of the blue in it, but that's okay. This corner turned out awesome. But overall, I think this was a super fun project. I'm very happy with it. I need to think where I'm gonna hang it. And let's see here. If I can do this one-handed. Turn it around. That's what I love about this art. Every time you look at it a different direction, totally different piece. Look how fun this is. So I want to thank you for joining me, thank you for supporting my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Next Wednesday, we will do it again with another piece. If you go to my Facebook page at Fluid Art with Erica, I did put a little survey out to see what we should paint next Wednesday. So let me know. So I hope you have a good day. Have fun painting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.